Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I purchased from Ulta. So let's get into it.
Make me wonder who you might have been. Oh, you need to take your fingers and run them all through my strings. Strum it out, strum it out, strum it out. You can play in the key. You'll continue to try to play these games.
I'm just adding on my CRUMBL Lash Eye Serum. Now, I got my lashes done. I got eyelash extensions. My technician is staying on me, making sure that I add my serum in it. I'll have this link in the description if you are a extension eyelash girly. I love my lashes so much. So let's continue this video, y'all. Okay, I have to turn the light on. So this is my cute little Chanel bag. This is in the color of red. Look how cute, guys. Nice and cute. This is the inside of the bag. This is the buckle. This is a cute little, you can use this as a change purse. You can use it to put your cell phone in. Look how cute this is. So if you're the type of girl that just want to put your change in, or just want to put your wallet in, and your little lip gloss and makeup and things like that, you can just go about your day and wear this bag. This is just too cute, right? So I will have the link in the description just in case you guys would like to order you one too. You can grab you one and click on the link and grab you one today. Look how cute this is, y'all. Look how cute. You got the little booklet up in there. How cute is that, y'all? You know your girl got y'all. So if you want to get a bag too, you're going to be getting 20% off. Use my code JAMARA, J-A-M-A-R-A. Link will be listed below. Thank you, Unahubs, for this collaboration. Thanks for sponsoring this. Thank you. I love it, love it, love it. Just cute, cute, cute. Like $10.
Oh, this one's 20% off right now. This one's $8. Now the Hello Kitty one, that's the special edition one, and that one's 20, but it's not on sale.
Okay. These on sale? Wow, I can't believe it.
Try to catch riding dirty in the club before 11 o'clock, like I'm trying to catch it down kinda early. Looking thick, her hair brown and curly. She love the way my ride shining pearly. City boys that she fine and pretty, and the country boys that she fine and pretty. My pockets think it's green as curly, and the ladies know as soon as they see my jewelry. Being fresh to death is a crime. I think it's time for me to see the jury. Millionaires, they on the grind. Hustle like me is hard to find. I ain't really impressed. Guess unless it's about some dollars. There's no need to call you fine. Know you be hearing that all the time. Watching you do your step, yep, it's going down.
Ooh, when you look at me, I'm feeling you. I just can't help it, try to keep it cool. I can feel it in the beat. When you do those things to me, don't let her
few moments later.
Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I purchased from Ulta. So let's get into it. First things first is Bubble Skincare. Now I use this too. I got this for Faith that y'all saw in the last video. I did get her a bubble set. I think it had about 3 items in it, maybe 4. But then we went to Ulta today and I got her this because it had like everything you need to have in it. It had more. I tried it out and I liked how it was making my skin feel, and she liked how it was making her skin feel. This is a very great product. There's no acid, so it's for children, teenagers, adults, honey, and it just do your face right. So this is what I have inside. It is 6 full-size bubble faves, and it has water slide, soft lunch, it has bounce back, it have a minty lip balm in there, it has an eye cream for the morning, it has a hydration cream, and a hydration boosting serum, and a moisturizer. Okay, so it has everything in there. This was valued at $70, y'all. So I told her this better last her a whole year because I'm not getting no more skincare. Okay, maybe for myself, but anyway, so let me show y'all what let me see what it, I'm trying to open it here. Okay, so I guess we gotta take this off. So I think this is just really cute. You can have this to put all your little products in. You can put this on your little dresser, however you want to do it. You can use this as, oh my God, look how cute, honey. Look how cute, y'all. Okay, so this is the mint lip balm. This is the water slide boosting hydration. I believe she has this one already. And this is the bubble slam dunk hydration moisturizer. She got one of those because that came with the first set we got. She didn't have the bounce back balancing mist. And also this is the cleanser. And then this is the brightening eye cream. So yeah, it has a lot of little cool things in here. If y'all never tried this, go on and try it. This is the mist spray. Yeah, we went over this. So it has everything you need to have for your skincare. I just love, love, love this little bag. Like really cute, like period. Next item I got was this Touchland. Now this is Hello My Little Kitty. Little Kitty hand sanitizer. All right, so this is by Touchland. I already opened it. And this smells really good. It's also, it has like a little keychain. You can wear this to school, put it on your book bag. This one is Faith, so she'll be taking this to school, keeping her little hands clean. Okay, so we got that. I also picked up a spy headband. I needed one. She already had one. I needed one, so when I'm doing my skincare, I can have one to push my hair back or however. So this was on sale for like $5. I also picked up some more makeup brushes because I believe these was on sale at Ulta as well. This is a really, really great brand, Real Techniques. I've been using these like forever. Okay. I also picked up some Juvia's Place foundation. This is the I Am Magic foundation, and this is what the bottle looked like. Okay, so they have really, really great makeup products, Juvia's Place. I have been a big fan forever. I also picked up the concealer for Juvia's Place. And I picked up a lighter skin shade. You have to go at least one skin tone shade lighter than your complexion. So I got this one for the concealer. And this is the I Am Magic Concealer by Juvia's Place. This is in the shade of, this is number 15. And the foundation that I got is in Rio 430. Just in case anybody that's watching, that's my complexion. This is in Rio 430. Rio 430. So these are more hand sanitizers from Touchland. I got two more of these. I believe these were on sale as well. So this one is Beach Cocoa, and this one was Pure Lavender. I also needed some eyebrow pencils. I got dark brown. I just picked up 2 by e.l.f. And then I also picked up some Curl Talk mousse. You can put this in wigs, regular hair, braids, however you want to use it. I needed some mousse. It's on sale too. I grabbed this as well. And that is pretty much it, y'all. Thank y'all for watching this video. We appreciate the love so much. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace and blessings. Bye.
How am I still here?